Malawi's real estate market is changing. Land prices are rising in major cities, demand is growing, and interest from the diaspora is increasing. But at the same time, challenges around land ownership, planning, and financing continue to slow the market down. In this video, we take a clear and honest look at the current state of Malawi's property market. Malawi's real estate market is largely centered around land ownership and residential housing. Most property activity takes place in urban areas such as Lilongwe and Blantyre, where demand is driven by employment, government activity, and infrastructure. Secondary cities like Mzuzu and Zomba are also gaining attention, particularly from long-term investors looking for affordability and future growth. Outside urban areas, land transactions remain common, but many occur informally, which introduces risk for buyers. Several factors are driving demand in Malawi's property market. Population growth and urban migration continue to increase pressure on housing in cities. At the same time, many Malawian living abroad are investing in land and housing back home, often as a long-term plan or retirement strategy. However, while demand is rising, the supply of well-planned, serviced land has not kept pace. Despite growing interest, the property market in Malawi faces serious challenges. Title deed processing can be slow and inconsistent. Informal land sales increase the risk of disputes. Access to mortgages and long-term financing remains limited for most buyers. And weak enforcement of urban planning regulations affects infrastructure, property values, and investor confidence. These challenges make it difficult for the market to operate at international standards. Property conditions in Malawi vary significantly by location. Lilongwe remains the strongest market due to its political and administrative role. Blantyre continues to attract commercial and rental demand, though land availability is increasingly constrained. Mzuzu and Zomba present opportunities for patient investors, particularly where infrastructure development is expected. Understanding these regional differences is essential for informed D. Despite the challenges, opportunities still exist. Planned residential developments, rental housing, and mixed-use projects remain areas of potential growth. Locations connected to new roads, utilities, and public services tend to outperform others over time. The key is informed investment backed by due diligence. For viewers who are exploring property in Malawi, a link is included in the description to a free property listing platform. The platform allows agents and property owners to list their properties directly, and buyers can contact sellers without intermediaries. It is provided as a resource to help improve access and transparency. Malawi's real estate market has clear potential, but meaningful growth depends on transparency, planning, and informed participation. In upcoming videos, we'll explore individual regions, explain land ownership systems, and compare Malawi's market to global examples. Subscribe for weekly insights into Malawi's property and real estate landscape. This content is for educational purposes only. Viewers are encouraged to conduct their own due diligence before any property transaction.